Noise is everywhere. You cannot escape the notifications from apps, the news stories that appear everywhere, the Slack notifications, the emails that keep popping into your inbox, and the mountains of people, gurus and growth hackers and marketers that are all telling you that in order to get the results that you want, you have to go a very certain way. There's so much noise out there. And sometimes it gets really hard to know what is the noise that you actually want to listen to and what are the things that you should just block out. When you are in charge of driving conversions, if it's leads, if it's sales, signups, trials, if you're trying to get people to sign up to your email list, it gets super frustrating because everyone is telling you to try all these little things and to try all these hacks, and everyone's filling our heads with so much noise. And that's why I actually want to invite you to my workshop. On July 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern, I will be teaching a workshop about emotional targeting, how to get into your customers' heads and hearts and understand how they want to buy, understand the reasons that they're buying from you, and how to create marketing efforts, whether if it's a campaign or a funnel, a landing page, or an email that speaks directly to them. Because it isn't just a one-way show. You can't just do the same thing as everyone because your customers are different. And I want to show you that simply copying your competitors or following blog posts or guides or gurus that tell you that there's only one way to do things isn't the right way to go. And that there is a proven system that doesn't do it for you, but it takes you step by step and shows you how you should market to your customers, how you can create a beautiful relationship with them and can really connect with people. Now, during this workshop, I'm going to do a little bit of strategy. I'm going to tell you a little bit about why emotion matters and why you should be joining me and why you should care. But the vast majority of this workshop is going to be us getting down and starting to work, figuring out what questions we should be asking our customers, who we should be talking to, and how to turn the insights that you're going to learn into actual assets, landing pages, websites, emails, campaigns, and so on. So I really hope that you can join me in drowning out that noise and starting to listen to your own insights, your own customers, and understanding the right way to speak to them and to get into their hearts and increase conversions. This is the exact same methodology that we use at Get Uplift for our clients. We use it for clients like Mercedes. We use it for Bitly, Teamwork, Sprout Social, Thinkific, and many, many others. And I really hope that you join me on July 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern. And of course, you'll be able to ask me all your questions. I love digging into funnels and answering questions for everyone. So yeah, see you then. Bye.